Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all around the world. My name is Maurice Safa, popularly known as Tolu Gondo Sarba. Otuna yariso na the APC election fraud alert. APC election fraud alert. We all don't hear now for say out that they bluff for say then get 99 ways for thief an election. They still they pan and pan this one there so. They still they try for thief this election again. Yesterday we don't hear it all over the world for say APC they want for go to court for go ask the court for pass an injunction for make them stop this election here so. Now that then they work on right now. I think to say they don't file the case self for make the court not allow this election for finish. That are the one where they can match 27. Well, my people then, we all know for say APC always defend ways for thief the election. Now that make them they talk say they get 99 ways for thief. And we know again for say King Koroms himself, want for common at this power here so. He don't do all things ever since this second term for make it stay na the election. I mean na power. He don't ask for a third term. People then say no. He don't change Speaker of Parliament for make the Speaker put legislation for make it stay in the power. The people then say no. He don't change the Constitution for make it stay in the power. The people then say no. He don't try for change the time for rules for take them from 5 years to 6 years. The people then don't say no. So I mean they don't come, we don't go pan round one, they don't lose. SLPP don't win. They push this year into this runoff where they come. Now that now they want for council because APC don't see for say the people they don't want them. They don't want for make them continue this government here so. People they don't want APC again. They don't want Kuruma. So then they do all things. So now it look like say the last time thing so far, like I say last because they get 99 ways for thief. They want for use this media so for go to court for pass this injunction. Now let we watch out for that. Let me watch out for that because we know for say APC and NEC they work together. We know for say NEC get the APC interest. Neither they try for thief this election here so forgive them. Just like how they been done thief them the last two election under Christian Atop. Now they do that in 2007 and then 2012. Then thief again get to APC under the same Christian Atop. Now this man, the Yuki commissioner, King Commissioner Conte, now him they try now this time here so forgive the election for the third time to APC. So let we not take it easy. Let we not think to say it not go happen. Now that then they try for do because first of all, I think a neck where this man here so they go lay complaint pan. Well, it's possible for say NEC go na court no more and say we guilty about what the man don't say. So do a court una allow for make this election here so stop. The NEC go agree. NEC go say to the judge, yes, we agree, but waiting this man here they put the injunction for. That one they possible. So let we not give them that opportunity there. And then we all know for say the court, Supreme Court or any level court na salon na Kuruma in court na APC Kuruma courts them. That's what they call them, APC Kuruma court. Not the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, the supremely for the land no more. It is supremely for King Kurums. So it's possible for say if this APC man here so file the injunction against NEC, then NEC go na court then say judge, we guilty, so make you allow for demand in the what you don't ask so that we go stop this election here so. NEC go do that. This na a thing where they tell una. We not forgive this, we not forget them, we not take them lightly. Alright? Then the court said, the court, na Kuruma in court them. So they all go agree. Once they don't agree, that's it. Now it will be the law. However, they suggest say because this man here so they use in your civil rights for go put injunction on the whole election, then for the whole country, then one man, one action for making it. Una self, una get the same right, una get the same civil right. Any of una when they listen to this audio here so, I mean this video here so and audio, una go also go to court and file an injunction against injunction. I know for say we SLPP lawyers they know that. So hopefully then they go do that. Okay? For make them vacate this injunction if possible. If we do that, then possibly the runoff will continue and happen 1 week from now. Otherwise, if we not do that, we left and just to the court and to NEC and to APC, then go agree for make this election here so postpone. And once the election don't postpone, APC don't get the opportunity. King Koroms, they go find way now for do the yuki, pay people them, take government money, bribe people them for the next election. They go ready now. They go get more of the government money from international community and they give more to people them. Let we not allow them for do this. We now watch out. We will not allow this injunction for even go to court. Or if it's possible, we will make sure for say the injunction not stand. Because then one person, then one party out of 16 party then. Then one person out of 7 million. At least now one person out of 3 million voters. In one your interest, the court not for consider over the national interest. In one interest, not go consider over the majority interest or people them we get where they in greater numbers than in do. The court not for allow that. But you know, waiting the King Koroms want na salon where not they be right now. So that they possible. Waiting NEC one for do we not go if possible for say we not go stop them. If next self where now the defendant if they say to the judge say we guilty but waiting this man here don't file so suspend them it go possible. So yeah waiting in the house let all man go to the streets. Go to the streets now you villages. Go to the village square. Go to the town square. Bo, Kenema, Kailahu, Kwendo, Pujeho, Freetown, Port Loko, Kabbalah, we all go to una chiefs them. We go to the paramount chiefs them. We tell them for say, make the paramount chief get in touch with the government and the courts them for make them continue the election. We tell them for say, we not then the majority, now that we want. One person or one political party not forget what they want when the majority they against them. So now that I bring to una, now that I tell una for make una go yonder peaceful demonstration, peaceful protest. Now una right for do that. Una right for petition una government in any way, shape possible as long as it is legitimate, it's legal, and it's peaceful. Thank you very much.